in charge of Piduldi Road, for approving a vital road project in my constituency. The newly sanctioned route from Pashang Mawkynrew to Northern Village and Pingwait via Mawlane to Mawkynrew have brought immense relief to the residents at these areas and never seen proper road connectivity before. These developments will greatly benefit the entire community, particularly senior citizens, farmers, and expectant mothers, ensuring easy access to essential service. Additionally, I deeply appreciate the road project in Nongjorong and Lightlom, as these villages are well-known tourist destinations. Improved road connectivity will not only attract more visitors, but also boost the local tourism industry, providing economic opportunities for the residents. Furthermore, the road project in Jongsha and Maulat has been highly praised by the local people. The newly constructed road are so smooth that residents have humorously described this experience as floating while traveling because the road is too good.
Finish.
It's true, sir. To be finished, sir. As the local MLA...
No. I have given you enough time.
No, last. Complete. As the local MLA, sir, I have worked tirelessly to ensure the realization of this project, aiming to enhance the overall well-being of the community. These roads are not just infrastructure. They represent progress, connectivity, development, and better future for the people. Sir, before I resume my seat, I would like to thank the Minister in charge of Piduldi, Bah Banteidor Tensang, for sanctioning the road project from Nongjorong to connect with Giant Hills, Nongjorong village to connect with West Giant Hills. This is a first time ever from my constituency to connect with other districts. Otherwise, in my constituency, everywhere we go, we will end on that end. No coming, we have to come back from the same road. But now, sir, we can go to Giant Hills by Nongjorong village. Sir, I sincerely thank our honorable, sincerely thanks to you for granting me the opportunity to participate in this general discussion on budget. With this remark, I conclude my submission and resume my seat. Thank you.